Data of every description will pervade our consciousness. Holograms projected beneath our eyelids.
Welcome to the DCC Museum.
Hi and welcome back to the museum. Today's video is about belt replacements on Philips DCC car stereos. Whether it's the 811, 821, 822, 24, 850 and even the fantasy piece 722, the belt replacement is the same as the mechanism is the same. It's fairly easy, and in this video we'll show you how it's done. So on the bench we have a 811 car stereo, DCC car stereo. And like I said before, it doesn't really matter whether you have any of the other Philips models. The mechanism and the belt replacement is similar. So to gain access, we remove the top of the player. Then there are 4 screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4 that we need to remove. Then the whole mechanism can be removed, but you also got to remove this board that's attached to the motor. It's one of the controls. So you can gently move this board until it unclips, and then the whole mechanism can be removed. If you flip it over, you can already see the belt. So now that we have the mechanism out, we can flip it over. And there are 2 clips that need to be removed so that you have access to the cap stands and the belt. So you can simply turn these inside out like this, and then this will lift and the plate can be removed. Now we can see the entire belt. Okay, so now we have the belt in place. Connect this, the tabs. First we do the 4 screws and then we attach the board again. We have the optional line out cable so we can hook it up to our amplifier. Okay. That sounds great. So now we will put it back together, and this is ready for the next few years. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.